Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Harisudin Sadfan and I'm going to deliver to you an informative speech about a person that I admire. Do you know that Malaysia once had a really good superstar in hockey as good as Lionel Messi in football?
Yes.
Today I'm going to talk to you about a person that I admire, Dato' Meenawar Nawawi. Basically, I'm going to share with you his life story, achievements and reasons why I admire Dato' Meenawar Nawawi. First of all, I'm going to talk to you about his life story. Dato' Meenawar Nawawi was born on 19 September 1971 in Malacca. He made his debut with the senior national hockey team in 1989 and retired in 2002, right after the Hockey World Cup in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. His nickname is the Boss due to his great aura on the pitch and also due to his good leadership skills. During his career, he has scored over 250 goals, making him one of the most prolific strikers that the nation has ever had. Okay, next, I'm going to share with you his achievements in both domestic and international stage. In domestic stage, Dato' Meenawar Nawawi has won 10 caps with 8 different teams in the Malaysia Hockey League competition. He is the only player in the history to ever won 4 doubles titles with 4 different teams. In 2001, he emerged as the top scorer in the Malaysia Hockey League Cup with 19 goals. Okay, in international stage, he has a really good achievements with the national hockey team. He has 3 Olympics appearances, which were in Barcelona, Spain, 1992, Atlanta, Italy, 1996, and also in Sydney, Australia, in 2000. In 1998, he made his first ever World Cup appearance in Utrecht, Netherlands, and in 2002, in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, his last World Cup appearance. Next, he has won several medals with the national hockey team. With the first medal that he won in 1990, when he won the bronze medal in the Asian Games in Beijing, China. He then managed to win silver in 1998 during the Commonwealth Games in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. For the Southeast Asian Games, he has won 4 gold medals in his 4 consecutive appearances, which were in Chiang Mai, Thailand, 1995, Jakarta, Indonesia, 1997, Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei, 1999, and also in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, in 2001. In 1999, he was in the list of the top 10 hockey players of the world that were released by the Federation of International Hockey. He was ranked 5th in the list of the most caps that the national player has ever had, with 327 caps. Okay. Lastly, let's focus on the reason why I admire Dato' Meenawar Nawawi. Firstly, I admire Dato' Meenawar Nawawi for his good leadership skill. When he was the captain for the Malaysia hockey team, he managed to lead the team to win several of international achievements, which were amazing to us. Next, I put on respect of Dato' Meenawar Nawawi for his unlimited passion for hockey. There was a time when he was badly injured but he refused to get up on the pitch. He keeps on playing and managed to score goals that secured the team's victory. Okay, next, I admire Dato' Meenawar Nawawi for his limitless energy. According to his teammates, he always went 100% on the training ground to make sure that he can help his team to win the upcoming match. Okay, lastly, I admire Dato' Meenawar Nawawi because he was the prolific striker. He has scored over 250 goals, and in 2002, he managed to score one of the best goals ever in the modern history of hockey. To conclude, I hope I have provided you with good information about the legendary Dato' Meenawar Nawawi. Basically, I will share with you his life story, achievements, and the reasons why I admire Dato' Meenawar Nawawi. To conclude, I will end this with a quote from Dato' Meenawar Nawawi himself. All the cheating and slacking will take you nowhere near the Olympic Stadium. Thank you.